Hey, Teacher Allison here with preparation tips and a walkthrough for VIP Kids Levels 2 and 3 Mock Class Lesson Option B. Is that backwards? It's not to me, it's to you. B. Anyways, just like my first lesson, if you haven't seen Option A, pull it up. I am going to throw up some tips for preparing before you even get in that classroom. So here they are. Take a screenshot, snap a picture on your phone, write it down, however you choose to do it, just get this information down. And I want to stress the last one. Practice, practice, practice. Remember, this mock class determines your base pay per 25-minute class. VIP Kid has incentives, so you will probably get more, but this is your base pay. Minimum wage, per se, you may say. All right, so we've got our props ready. I got my computer next to me, so if I am not looking at you, I am looking at my computer. And I encourage you to pull it up on another screen as well. When I watched a walkthrough for my preparation, I had my phone. I'm watching a YouTube video, I'm like, okay, that slide's over. Switch over real quick to my document. Okay, cool, back to YouTube. And it was a mess. So if you're watching on your phone, pull up your computer. If you're watching on a tablet, do something. 2 screens, whatever, okay? We good? All right, option B, my friends and I, my toys. Here is the kind of the objectives, what the student's going to be expected to do. You don't need to do anything with this. It is just for you to know what you will be teaching. All right, intro slide. As always, intro is rapport building. I'm going to talk to you like you are students, and I'm sorry, I hate it when teachers do that to me and make me act like a student. But this is the best way for you to see what I do as a teacher, okay? Hello, Bow Bow. Hi, my name is Teacher Allison. What is your name? My name is Bow Bow. Hi, Bow Bow. I am happy to see you. How are you? Happy. Remember, they need to be answering in complete sentences. Happy? Oh, I am so glad. I am happy. I am happy. Great job. You can ask another one if you'd like, or you can get going. How old are you, Bow Bow? 6. I am 6. Good job, Bow Bow. Are you ready? Yes, let's go. All right, flip over the slide. Bow Bow, when you do a great job, you get to drag and drop. You can't do it on this screen, the practice screen, but you can do it when you get into the class. You're gonna drag the toys into the little shopping cart. Bow Bow, drag and drop. Let him drag a toy. Good job, Bow Bow. All right, move on. All right, these are your new vocabulary words. Circle one at a time. We're gonna start with kite. 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 Good. Kite. Kite. Yes. Circle the sentence. I fly my kite. I fly my kite. Good job. I fly my kite. I fly my kite. Good job. Next one. Doll. Doll. Good. Doll. Doll. Yes. This is my doll. This is my doll. Great job, Bow Bow. This is my doll. This is my doll. Good job, Bow Bow. Excellent. You click your first star. Yay, Bow Bow. Make a big deal out of it. Smile like your face is gonna hurt. All right, keep going. Again. Doll. Doll. Kite. Kite. Bow Bow circled the first picture in the sentence. What does she do? Draw a line. Good. She flies a kite. She flies a kite. Yes, good job. Doll to the second one. This is her doll. This is her doll. Excellent, Bow Bow. You did a great job. Flip over to that reward slide. Bow Bow, drag and drop. Let him drop another toy in the basket. Click back over. Bow Bow, drag and drop. Circle the doll. Good. Doll, yes, Bow Bow. They'll do the kite. Yes, great job. High five. Good job, Bow Bow. Kite. Kite. Doll. Doll. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, we have a new vocabulary word. Fly. Let's say they say it wrong. Flee. Yes, Bow Bow. Get close. Point to your mouth. Fly. Fly. Yes, good job. Fly. Try again. Fly. Come on. Fly. He's flying now. Yes, good job, Bow Bow. Circle that first sentence. He flies a... Ooh, this one might be too small. Flies a kite. He flies a kite. Good job. He flies a kite. He flies a kite. Good job. I fly a kite. I fly a kite. Good, Bow Bow. I fly a kite. I fly a kite. Yes. My sister flies a kite. My sister flies a kite. Good job. My sister flies a kite. My sister flies a kite. Great job, Bow Bow. You get your second star. Way to go. Move on to the next slide. All right, Bow Bow. Drag and drop. She a kite. Flies. Yes, Bow Bow. Great job. She a kite. Drag and drop. Flies. Yes, Bow Bow. Great job. They a kite. Drag and drop. Fly. Yes. I a kite. Fly. Yes, Bow Bow. Great job. Flick to the reward slide. Drag and drop 2 toys. Good job, Bow Bow. Click back to your lesson. Okay, Bow Bow. Listen. There's some sounds you're going to click on. I cannot click on them here for you. It will be very obvious when you get into the classroom. So one's going to say she flies. One's going to say he flies. One is going to say I flies. I flies. One is going to say I fly. And you're going to drag the picture over the audio box. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to click on the first button. Let's just say it's in order. She flies. Drag the picture up. She flies. Good job, Bow Bow. The second one, let's say it's he flies. He flies. Good job, Bow Bow. I fly. Boop. Great job, Bow Bow. High five. Boop. Give him another star. 3 stars. Good job, Bow Bow. Yay. Move on. Bow Bow, do you throw a ball? Yes. Yes, I throw a ball. Yes, I throw a ball. Yes, remember you want those complete sentences. Encourage those. Bow Bow, do you throw a ball? Yes, I throw a ball. Good job. Bow Bow, do you swing on a swing? No, I don't swing on a swing. Good. Bow Bow, do you swing on a swing? No, I don't swing on a swing. Good. If you have extra time, change it. Yes, I swing on a swing. No, I don't throw a ball. Okay, keep going. Bow Bow, do you fly a kite? Yes, I fly a kite. Let's Do yes for all of them. Bow Bow, do you throw a ball? Yes, I throw a ball. Bow Bow, do you swing on a swing? Yes, I swing on a swing. And then go on to no. Yeah, no, I don't fly a kite. So let's extend on this slide, okay? Let's circle the boy in the middle with the ball. Bow Bow, what color is his ball? Red. It is red. It is red. Good job, Bow Bow. We're gonna move on. Circle the first picture. They're flying a kite. I'm gonna ask, do they swing on a swing? No. What do they do? They fly a kite. Circle the second one. Bow Bow, do they swing on a swing? Yes, they swing on a swing. Bow Bow, circle the third one. Does he throw a ball? Yes, he throws a ball. Okay, move on. This is your free talk. There's no necessarily right or wrong answer, but there is a guide in your teacher, your little teacher tools. Bow Bow, what is she doing? We're gonna circle the girl with the soccer ball. She throws a ball. Ooh, she throws a ball. Do you throw a ball? Ooh. Bow Bow, Bow Bow, do you throw a ball? Yes, I throw a ball. Do you fly a kite? No, I don't fly a kite. All right. We are on the goodbye slide, so don't just abruptly, ooh, I got some crazy hair, say goodbye. Look, kind of guide your student out of the lesson. Bow Bow, drag, and you're gonna click over to that reward slide again. Drag and drop. They're gonna drag and drop. Oh, Bow Bow, you got all the toys. Good job. You also have 5 stars. Great job, Bow Bow. You worked hard. I am sad to go. Will I see you later? Yes. Okay, Bow Bow. Goodbye. Bye, teacher. Bye. And that's it. Now, I spoke quicker than you're going to want to speak during your mock lesson. Remember that your audience is a 6-7-year-old usually. But my audience right now on YouTube is adults. So just be mindful of your talking speed, okay? Your mock class mentor will kind of set the pace. They're gonna decide how high or how low your student is. So be ready, okay? Couple pointers, use the reward slide, give stars. And if you have an external reward, you can do that too, but don't let yourself get overwhelmed. The external is not important. I didn't have one. Try to have your background ready. I didn't really. I had just a big piece of orange paper with my name written on a piece of printer paper. Obviously now we have had a glow up. I got hired on an orange piece of paper, but my mentor said something about it. Okay, so that is it. Best of luck to you. As always, if you want me to help coach you through the process, I get, full disclosure, I get a little compensation from VIPKid only for helping you through the process. I don't get paid anymore once you teach your first class. I don't get paid based off the number of classes you teach, based off your reviews. I don't get any of that, okay? It's basically compensation for being your coach. So if you would like that, please drop me an email. I cannot reiterate this enough. If you don't email me when you use my code, I cannot help you. We're not giving your emails, and it stinks. And all my referrals that don't use my email, the vast majority don't pass. The referrals that do use my email do pass. So with that being said, my email is going to be in the description box, and my VIPKid code is ALLYS0124. That will also be in the box. Follow me on Instagram, teacher.allison. Click subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss anything. I still have 2 more videos coming up of our mock class series for the higher levels, and I suggest you do both mock classes, guys. I did not. You'll be fully certified once you finish both of these, and I'm not fully certified in all of those yet because I didn't do it. So learn from my mistake, okay? As always, I will see you next time, and happy teaching. Good luck to you, and reach out to me for any questions, any help, even if I'm not your referral. I am here. I love this job and I want to help more people get this job. Okay? Goodbye.